Here's a little sneak peek of what we'll be doing today for the infinity symbol of friendship in fluid motion. If I don't get blown away by the wind. Welcome to Grandma Kathy's Art Venture. Thanks for being here. Let's go. Happy birthday to August Day. Friendship is one of the most powerful forces in the world, and the infinity symbol beautifully captures the essence of this bond. As I begin to paint this infinity symbol, let's imagine it as a representation of two souls connected through art, forever intertwined. Just like the fluid movement of the paint on the canvas, true friendship flows with ease and beauty, never static, always evolving. It's the kind of bond where distance and time don't matter. The connection between friends never breaks. It simply transforms and adapts. As the paint swirls and blends together, think of how friends come together in moments of joy, laughter, and even challenges. They support each other through the highs, the lows, and as the symbol loops back into itself, it reminds us that the love and care between friends never ends. It's continuous, infinite, just like the twists and turns of the symbol. Every layer of paint is a moment shared. Every curve is a memory created. And just like the infinity symbol itself, friendship doesn't have an end. No matter where life takes us, the bond we share will always return to the same place. Back to being friends, time and time again. And as we watch this painting unfold, let it remind us that true friendship, like this infinity symbol, is a circle of trust, love, and support that lasts forever. And ever since I met August when I won his giveaway, and we started painting together on collaborations, he has truly been inspiring, encouraging, always there to give me a laugh, pick me up when I was down, and just a constant. And I know that it's not only me, he's a constant with everyone he meets. He's everybody's friend. He's kind and generous and loving, and I'm so thankful that I met you, August. Happy birthday, buddy. I know that we'll be friends forever, and thank you for everything, all the encouragement you've given me over the past couple of years. Just being my friend, keeping me motivated to keep moving, and just being there. Thank you. Happy birthday. Love you, buddy.
Baby, read the fine print. I've got baggage and it's all Gucci. Don't get too attached to me. Everybody act like the answer. One love like in the movies. Wasting precious time assuming. Were we made to fall? No, I'm not lonely when solo and solely exploring what I need. Cause dozens of times I swear that I knew when the wisdom was scanty. Doesn't mean I was broken so open, I gave it till empty. Got it all back by myself, now nobody can tempt me. If I turn off, breathing, sitting on my own. from a love song. No, I'm not only with solo and solely exploring what I need. Cause dozens of times I swear that I knew when the wisdom was scanty. Doesn't mean I was broken, so open. I gave and 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 I. And if I'm better off alone, I breathe and embrace it on my own.
Okay, I'll show you the dried results in just a second, but first I want to say thank you to Donna from It's Art by Donna and Aishu from Aishu's Crafty Kids Club for being with us today to celebrate August's birthday. We really appreciate it. The tag team loves yous. And thanks to August and Tanya for hanging in there with me on the tag team. Love you both. Love you all. Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. Have a great week. Have a great day. And we'll see you all in the next one.